Welcome back to another Dollar Tree DIY using 2 of the Easter trees. I'm going to start by fluffing them out and cutting off the base, and I'm just going to zip tie those 2 together to make the base of our centerpiece. That's right, today we're going to make a centerpiece using those Dollar Tree trees. I also have some leftover Dollar Tree mesh cut at 15 inches, and I have about 5 pieces of those. So I'm just going to start by crumpling those in to add as a filler to the base of our centerpiece and our tablescape. So after I add these in, I do also have a sizzle cow. That's right, a cow left over from last year's spring from Michael's. I absolutely thought he was super adorable. He has all these little spring florals on his head. Such a cute little item. So I'm just by taking him and I'm pinning him in with some pipe cleaners and securing him to our base. Yes, that Dollar Tree base, honey. And I'm going to add some ribbons. So the ribbons I'm using today are available at shoplikePalon.com. They come in several different colors, and I absolutely love that scallop edge 1.5 inch ribbon. That'll kind of coordinate with our cow here. So that is just an added touch. So I'm making a simple 2-loop bow and adding that in. And now it's time for our florals. Our spring florals are going to be absolutely good. So I'm just starting in with our base of greens, adding in pops of ranunculus, and my favorite, which is that allium spring bush. It brings so much texture, so many different items to this tablescape. So this will look gorgeous in your entryway, on your table all spring long. I'm going to finish it off by coming back in with that scallop edge ribbon and just adding a couple tails to kind of flow throughout the centerpiece. Thank you for joining me for another Dollar Tree DIY. Here's our finished look. He's such a little cutie in that bed of florals. Yes, he is. Thanks for watching. Now have an awesome day. And don't forget to like and follow me at Moonmakers Home Decor on Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, all the things, and especially Pinterest.